Hi, Pat McGibbon, CKO at AMT, and I'm here to talk about the U.S. Manufacturing Technology Orders Report for June. In a word, amazing. 490 million, one of the best months we've had in quite a while. And it's one of the reasons that Chris Chiswick just recently said that based upon the path we're going right now and the projection of the way the orders are moving, we'll probably have as good or better a year than we had in 2018. And it was the best year we'd had in over a decade. June over May was up 9%. June over June was up 42%, and the year-to-date number up 49%, just 1 percentage point down from where we were in June, in May. And we'll see that number go from 49 to 48 to 47 and work its way back to 40 over the course of the rest of the year, because that's what our projection is from our friends at Oxford Economics for U.S. manufacturing technology orders relative to 2020, up 40% in 2021 versus 2020. Now, there are a couple regions that kind of stand out. South Central had a 58% increase in activity, and that's probably has to do a lot with the fact that oil prices have jumped up to $70 a barrel or better and continue to grow, and we've seen some significant activity there. But also food processing equipment in the South Central area has been growing as well. It's become a really big area for the development of new food products and the packaging process as well. North Central West had a 92% increase relative to the first half of 2020. And that has to do primarily with medical equipment, which has been growing all the way through the pandemic and into 2021, as well as recreational equipment. They got a late start in recreational equipment production and investment in new capacity last year. They are made up for it this year and plan to be ready for whatever people want to be able to do this winter. With respect to the individual industries, components, we've told you that in the last couple months that valve manufacturers have made a significant investment in capital equipment. That has expanded to hardware, springs, turn products, and wire. All things that probably represent the fact that our manufacturers in the United States are working to diversify their risk in the supply chain by having some products sourced in North America, while they still import products from Asia and Europe. With respect to other industries that are notable, construction up significantly, probably some optimism that the infrastructure bill will get passed before the end of the year, and therefore some of that money will begin to roll into the construction industry. And then we had some continued growth in areas like space, medical equipment, and engine and turbines. The first low months we've seen really in capital equipment purchases by people building firearms and appliances, but it may be that they've already reached their capacity level they need to be able to deal with the additional demand they expect over the course of the next 6 months. Now, what are the takeaways? First one is employees are tough to come by. There's 10 million job openings in the United States right now, 10 million, and 500,000 of those are in manufacturing. That's about a 20% higher than almost any other time during pre-pandemic era. Customers are interested in productivity, not just automation, material handling. They're looking at other ways to help simplify processes and looking for both software and hardware solutions. Automation continues to outpace production machines. We've developed an index on automation relative to manufacturing technology orders overall, and automation is outpacing it by about 20 points. And then finally, supply chain challenges continue to expand. We've heard about the semiconductor issues in the automobile industry, and that has creeped into other industries like the appliance industry. And we've seen some backlogs continue to grow wherever semiconductors begin to become a shortage item. We're also seeing it happen in some specialty steels. Tooling steel has seen some significant increases in prices over the course of the last 6 weeks, and we probably will see some challenges in getting certain steels and metals during the course of the summer. But the positive outlook continues to be bright for the fall and into the winter and beginning of 2022. So until next month, be safe, be busy, and we look forward to sharing some new insights and continued growth in USMTO orders.